Get ready for an exciting journey into the heart of sugarcane farming. Every year, billions of tons of this essential crop are harvested to create one of the most beloved ingredients in the world, sugar. In this video, we're giving you a front-row seat to witness how vast sugarcane fields are transformed into the sweet stuff we all know and love, thanks to cutting-edge technology and powerful machinery. Large sugarcane fields are mainly found in tropical and subtropical regions, where the climate is warm and humid. Once the sugarcane reaches the right stage for harvest, specialized harvesting machines jump into action. Leading the charge is the whole-stalk sugarcane harvester, a tough, high-powered machine designed to cut and process sugarcane with speed and precision. It can handle up to 30 tons of cane per hour. Sometimes, before harvesting, farmers set fire to the sugarcane fields, a method called pre-harvest burning. This helps clear away dry leaves, making the cane easier and quicker to harvest. It also keeps pests down and gives machines or workers better access to the stalks. After the harvesters finish their work, huge piles of freshly cut sugarcane are collected and loaded onto big transport trucks. These trucks move fast, heading straight to the processing factories where the sugar making begins. Once the trucks full of sugarcane reach the factory, they go straight to the receiving area. Here, large cranes or heavy-duty conveyor belts are ready to get to work. These machines quickly lift the heavy bundles, sometimes several tons each, off the trucks, making the unloading process fast and efficient. Next, the sugarcane is fed into giant industrial crushers. This is where the juice extraction really begins. These powerful machines use huge steel rollers to squeeze the thick, tough stalks under intense pressure, pulling out as much juice as possible. After the sugarcane is smashed and shredded, it moves to a series of heavy-duty roller presses. These presses work in stages to get the most juice out. In the first round, they extract about 50 to 60% of the juice. Then, as the leftover cane moves through each stage, the pressure ramps up, squeezing out another 15 to 20% to make sure nothing goes to waste. The leftover fibrous material, known as Bagasa, doesn't go to waste. It's commonly used as a biofuel to power the factory's boilers, helping keep the sugar production process running. On top of that, Bagasa is also turned into eco-friendly packaging or even used as animal feed. Once the juice is extracted, it's still full of impurities and needs to be cleaned. First, it goes through a filtration process. Then, it's sent to a massive boiler, where it's heated in large pipes, killing bacteria and removing any leftover impurities to prepare it for the next stage. The juice extracted from the sugarcane contains unwanted impurities and sediment, which are removed through a mud filtration process. This step helps maximize the amount of usable juice, while the leftover muddy residue, known as filter cake, is repurposed as an organic fertilizer for crops. The next stage is evaporation, where the goal is to reduce the water content in the cane juice. The juice is pumped into special vessels and subjected to low-pressure conditions, allowing the water to evaporate. By the end of this process, the juice becomes concentrated, reaching a sugar content of about 65%. After the sugarcane juice has been evaporated into a thick syrup, the next key step is to extract the sugar crystals. This is done using high-speed centrifuge machines that spin rapidly, creating a powerful centrifugal force. This force separates the solid sugar crystals from the remaining molasses. As the syrup enters the centrifuge, the sugar crystals are pushed outward and collected, while the liquid molasses is drained away. This process efficiently isolates the pure sugar crystals. Once the sugar crystals are separated in the centrifuge, they remain slightly damp and clumped together. To resolve this, the crystals are placed in a large rotating dryer. This machine gently tumbles the sugar while warm air is blown through it, helping to remove any remaining moisture and break up the clumps. Once the sugar has been dried, it's transferred to the sugar bagging machines. A sturdy conveyor system ensures smooth transport with minimal spillage and maximum efficiency. The sugar is then packaged in various formats to suit different needs. Large industrial sacks are typically used in factories, commercial kitchens, and for export. For households, medium-sized bags are ideal for daily cooking and baking, while mini-sized sachets are perfect for cafes, restaurants, and on-the-go convenience. Sugarcane sugar is one of the most popular sweeteners globally, prized for its clean, natural sweetness and rich flavor. It plays a vital role in many cultures, serving as the foundation for a wide variety of desserts, beverages, and sauces.